Hello everybody, how you all doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. There was a technical snafu and my stream didn't record. So here we are, we're going to do a quick rundown of what happened and it'll get you caught up. So, first thing, I got doodads running. I got most of the M2 models actually in, they actually work. They place, they scale, and this place looks wonderful when you tell it to path trace. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to get some real good stuff with this. But what we spent most of the day working on was actually coding up a whole bunch of code to get the new water system running. Now, when I say the new water system, what I'm talking about is ADTs come with two flavors of water. There's the old method, which we had already programmed, and that is basically per chunk. It was replaced in Wrath of the Lich King with a new global water system. So what we did for the whole night is we pounded away at that, and we finally got some results. We started by reading the data, making sure we were actually reading the data because I had a lot of questions about it. But at the end, we actually got quite a nice surprise. Oh, by the way, I imported the whole thing, but look at this. This is using the new water system. It still does the height stuff. It comes down. We go through all sorts of stuff, and this will go back over here and over there. This was actually our view for most of the stream. It was trying to get water into this river in between Elwyn and Westfall. Getting things in. Eventually, we got two little chunks in. At that point, I knew that, okay, I know I'm going too deep with all this, so I just said, screw it. We're going chunky with this. So there's just a little bit extra water here. I actually do need to come through here and clean it up a bit. But, oh, that's interesting. Does that come out over here? No, it does not. All right. So, yeah. All that will be disappeared and disapparated. But yeah, all that chunky water, we came up here, we saw that, this went uphill, which was very nice. And that is another example of the water we need to chop off. So, yeah, we did all that, and then we checked out Darnassus, which actually looks really good. But yeah, that's where we're at. We've got water up and running, and hopefully... hopefully I can get this, to trim down pretty soon. Thanks, everyone. I'll see you later. Good night.